Welcome to TwistedBrush Pro Studio. In this tutorial you will learn how to use the Mask Edit layer. The Mask Edit layer is a special layer that makes it easy to edit a mask with any brush, tool or filter. While masks do have a number of special brushes that will continue to be useful outside of the Mask Edit layer, this opens up the possibilities even more. Click on the M layer to select the Mask Edit layer. Using the Mask Edit layer will work either starting with a mask or no mask. When selected, the icon of the layer changes, showing a page thumbnail. It also appears as marked on the Layers panel. Additionally, the label Mask Edit layer is shown as a reminder that the Mask Edit layer is selected. Now, let's get back to the image layer and create a simple mask. Click on the layer to select it. Select the rectangle mask tool and add a mask. Click on the Mask Edit layer. The current masks are shown on the canvas as a grayscale image where the dark areas are masked areas and the light areas are not masked. Notice that the image data is hidden while working on the Mask Edit layer. When editing the Mask Edit layer, any brush can be used as well as the tools and filters. Color paint can be used since it's the luminance values that are used to determine the mask strength. However, it is good practice to use grayscale color choices. Let's use the warp tool to stretch the mask. And also a brush. Now, let's get back to our image layer. Notice that the Mask Edit layer is gone from the mask layer slot. That is because the data is translated into the real mask after the editing is complete. Here is the original mask which we have distorted with the warp tool, and this part here is the one that we edited using a brush. It has a different strength because we used a lighter color. If we had used a black color instead, the mask would have had 100% strength.